Hi folks, it's Jeff Slavin here, and today I want to talk to you about an item that often gets missed when it comes to survival and things in your kit, and that's the humble pen. Now, there's nothing wrong with carrying just a normal pen. You click it, you write on some shit, you click it again and put it away. However, what I do is I invested a couple of dollars, and they're not very expensive, in the Fishy Space Pen. Now, this particular one is called the Police Pro, and basically that's it. You click it, you write on some shit, you click it again, and you put it away. Now, they have got a thing here, and this is the cartridge, and it is under pressure. It's a pressurized cartridge. That means that you can use this underwater. You can use this in space, should you ever find yourself in space. You can use it in hot and cold temperatures. You can use it pretty much anywhere. And so, yeah, I highly recommend one of these. Now, the reason for this is should you be in a bad situation and you need to leave a note and maybe tack it to a tree or something like that, people are going to go, oh, okay, this guy went here. But there's a multitude of reasons why you should actually carry a pen with you in a emergency situation or in one of your bug-out bags or like I do, I usually carry it in one of my organizers. So yeah, anyway, that's the Fisher Space Pen. And this particular model is the Police Pro. Now I've got another one here for another one of my bags, and that's the original, very nearly the original Bullet Space Pen, and made by Fisher as well, using the same exact cartridge. And yeah, these are pretty mighty. Now, I use these in conjunction with something called a Write in the Rain notebook. And we'll show you that here. Now, this one says that it writes in rain, it writes in sweat, and it writes in grime. So, you can write in the rain, you can write when you're working out, and you can write when you're working on your car. So, there you go. I highly recommend those, and they're not expensive. They're only a couple of dollars. So there you go. Something that you really need to put in one of your kits. Whether you think you need to or not, I think it's a pretty important thing. And that's the Fisher Space Pen. Carry a regular pen if you want to. Carry this if you want to write when you're sweaty and grimy and it's raining. Okay, folks, Jeff Slavin. See you next time. Bye.